I'm Colonel Chris Ward, Garrison Commander White Sands Missile Range, and I'd like to provide an update about the Bataan Memorial Death March and the mitigations we're putting into place in accordance with the Centers of Disease Control. Our assessment for overall risk to the population being the workforce, the communities here in White Sands and surrounding area, the marchers, and the volunteers is low. From an operational standpoint, and with the additional mitigations we are currently putting in place, we will be ready and plan to execute this event. Allow me to explain our mitigations. Every effort is being made to pre-identify persons arriving from the areas of interest and do a verbal screening of those persons at the Las Cruces Convention Center. We will ask all marchers if they have traveled outside of the U.S. in the last 14 days. If yes, was the country a CDC travel warning level 3 country, which currently is Italy, South Korea, China, and Iran. If yes to that, you will not be allowed to march. We have contacted 2 marchers registered from CDC travel warning level 3 countries, Italy in this case, and confirmed they will not attend. We have no other marchers from a level 3 country attending at this time. We are also monitoring level 2 countries. We currently have no one registered from a category level 2 country. We have adjusted our packet pickup procedures this year as well. This year, every marcher will need to pick up their own packet. No one will be allowed to pick up a packet for someone else as in years past. We are recommending to participants, if they exhibit flu-like symptoms, to follow CDC guidance and recommend they do not travel. The Bataan Memorial Death March is hard enough when you are 100% healthy. If you're not feeling well for any reason, please consider not participating this year. We are distributing health messages about COVID-19 to all involved, and we are continuing to promote preventive actions and proper hygiene. We have 8 medical stations along the course manned by volunteer, civilian, and military personnel, including medical professionals. We have added 108 additional hand wash stations to our previous total as part of our mitigation strategy. We are coordinating with 2 area hospitals, Memorial Medical Center in Las Cruces, New Mexico, for intake of civilian personnel, and William Beaumont Army Medical Center in Fort Bliss, Texas, for military personnel. Both facilities are aware and have made internal preparations to respond to suspected cases. We encourage individuals to make their own assessments for what is best for themselves and their families. The COVID-19 situation is fluid, and our assessments may be different as new information is available or guidance from the CDC changes. We are monitoring very closely during each day for changes that would cause us to re-examine our current assessment as low risk to the community and the Bataan Memorial Death March event. Thank you, and we look forward to hosting you this Sunday at White Sands Missile Range for the 31st Annual Bataan Memorial Death March.